Here's the question. 48 divided by, inside the bracket, 8 minus 2, close bracket, multiplied by, in brackets, 5 minus 1, close bracket. To solve questions like this, we'll apply the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule. P for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We know that multiplication and division have the same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction also have the same priority. When both symbols appear, we check from left to right. When checking from left to right, whichever comes first, we solve that one first and give it priority. The second one gets second priority. Here, we always solve the parentheses first. Now, 48 divided? If we solve the parentheses, 8 minus 2 becomes 6, and for multiplication here, 5 minus 1. Now, let's solve further. 48. Divide. 6 multiplied by 5 minus 1, that becomes 4. Now, let's solve further. 48 divided by 6 multiplied by 4. Now, we know that multiplication and division have the same priority. You check from left to right, and whichever comes first gets the priority. Here, division comes first, so we'll give division the first priority and multiplication the second priority. So, let's solve it. 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Now, let's solve further. 8 times 4 is 32. This is the right answer.